If you want to adjust your clip audio, you can hit the volume icon on the bottom and you can adjust it to make it even louder or softer. If you want to fine-tune it a little bit more, there's a few things that you have to do before you get to that point. The button on the far right next to the undo button is the audio button. This allows you to see the audio of your clips. You can't really work with the audio here, so you have to do one other thing. If you go back to the Actions tab, you can hit Detach Audio. What Detach Audio does is it detaches the audio from your clip so that you can work with the clip and the audio independently of each other. And just like the clip, I can highlight that audio and I can move it back and forth. You'll see that down at the bottom, I can adjust some of the actions, the speed, and the volume. So we can split the audio, we can make it our background, or we can duplicate the audio. If you go to speed, you can do the same thing that you can do with a video clip, but just with audio. Volume allows you to change how loud or soft it goes, but it also allows you to fade in or out the music. If you hit the fade button, it will allow you to adjust if it fades in or if it fades out and for how long. All you have to do is take your finger and drag those arrows, and the more you drag it to the middle of your clip, the longer the fade. And when you're done doing that, you can hit trim and you can work with your audio again. If you go back to the Actions tab and hit Background, it's going to change it so your audio file is in the background. So anything you place over that, it's going to be a little softer than what you place over it. The bad thing about putting it in the background is that you can't move it around once you've made it background. It always begins at the beginning of your clip. If you want to adjust your audio, make sure that it's not in the background, but change it to foreground.